Welcome to the Super Gold 60 Key Chart Signals and Analysis. This is Morris. I want to begin tonight by looking here at a couple sectors of interest that we have been active in. And the first one is going to be Coinbase. And we're getting some interesting activity. We've had some upward movement. And what is encouraging here through Thursday is we're getting a little bit of pullback. And by the way, this is in concert with a dollar that has broken down and now countering back a little. And I see the dollar, it has definitely rolled over. It has put in a top, and at some point you're going to get a little bit of a bounce back. Well, that bounce back has given us some softness. We have to also remember we have key Fed meeting and interest rate hikes coming next week, which I will be addressing here in this video. What is interesting to this point on a stock like Coinbase, it's rallied up and it is just not pulling back hard, but simply pausing. Now it's down 1.82%, but we have gained somewhere around 10% in the last few days, so not giving a whole lot back. Here is another favorite, and say the very same thing about Freeport. Now, Freeport, we've got a bull flag breakout, come up to the area of resistance, and we get a little bit of hesitation. Again, just the opposite of the dollar. The dollar recently broke down. As a matter of fact, this chart's almost a mere opposite of what we were just looking at on that thumbnail dollar chart. So what is impressive here is we are pausing here a little bit without a whole lot of downside action, which brings me now to the metals. And just let me say, as we look at the next two charts, as well as the two previous charts, a big theme here that I want to cover tonight in this video is we do have a Fed meeting on Wednesday. And as of right now, and the position that we're in, caution certainly is the order of the day, especially with no 660 moving average buys. Now, what I'm referring to here is waiting for a criteria. We're waiting for movement of the 6-day line to cross the 60-day line, and we have had 3 failings on that, and it's kept us from committing trading capital to the gold and silver stocks. So with that absent, as well as the Fed meeting staring us in the face, and we, by the way, do not have a 660 on the euro, we don't have it on the Dow, on Bitcoin, or gold or silver, and the gold and silver stocks. So we want to be very careful here, and we are very close to a buy in the sector. We're looking for overall positive action in the trading moving forward, and I do expect at the conclusion of the meeting, the Fed meeting on Wednesday, I strongly believe that we're going to see a very strong upward movement. But in the meantime, caution is where we want to be. We want to be cautionary until we get that meeting out of the way. The second metals chart that I wanted to highlight in the video is the SIL. Now, of course, GDXJ Gold Juniors, SIL, we're looking at silver stocks. And everything I just mentioned about the Fed meeting upcoming, very close to a 660 buy. We're literally getting that now. And as you can see, gamblers could buy this now, but there's just a couple events in front of us that we are waiting. And I've been looking for a confluence of this signal to kick, for instance, in GDXJ and the SIL chart. So certainly if you want to take a position, hey, the highs were 40, just be prepared for some volatility. Now, as we move forward and we talk about tonight, I want to offer, before I conclude the video, the special offer for the weekend, and that is our Super Gold Trader. We've had a blast off in the stock market, cryptos, gold, and there are some hot trading opportunities dead ahead, particularly after we get through the previous mentioned Fed meeting. There are going to be opportunities in the leveraged ETFs like Boyle, Nugget, Boyle Leverage Nat Gas, Nugget, Gold Stocks, UDow, of course, the Dow Jones. We knocked down a 10% gain on that one this week, by the way. Also oil, and we're booking profits fast. Now, the special offer normally $99 a month for a trial subscription, but we are offering the Super Gold leveraged ETFs, by the way, text and email updates, so you absolutely get these updates and can trade on them when given. But we're offering a 4-month special trial for $249. To qualify, simply drop me an email. We have booked more wins yet again this week. That's all for now. This is Morris with Super Gold 60 saying thank you.